Hey, this is Dr. Rob Mickley. I am so excited to announce our brand new Tele-Mentorship program. We're going to be starting off with our very popular Sinus Lift module. This is going to consist of three parts. First is the traditional didactic learning. We'll have a live teleconference. We'll discuss the key principles of sinus grafting. We'll have a detailed review of the sinus anatomy. We'll learn how to manage complications. We'll learn how to select proper cases to maximize your success. And we'll have a hands-on portion utilizing Blue Sky Bio's Crestal Sinus Lift Kit. Secondly, and a little bit more unique, we're going to be treatment planning your individual case. You'll send in a CT scan of your patient, and we'll one-on-one discuss how this patient should best be approached and how to best carry out this procedure. And the most unique, and I think the best way to learn, is in your office, on your patient, with everything you're comfortable with, having us live with you, watching in real time, and be able to comment and ask questions to while you're doing the procedure. This way, there's no fear factor involved in taking this brand new skill and implementing it into your office. We're so excited to launch it, and we want you to be a part of it. Details are in the description below. And as always, email with any questions. This is Dr. Robert Mickley for the INplant Tele-Mentorship Program.